What I love most about my new kitchen, I love everything about my new kitchen. I especially love the island bench. It's a lovely space to do everything, prepare the meals, as well as have my kids standing around with me. I love the detail of the panelling on the island bench, on the corners. I love all the drawers, that they're so easy to open and close and easy to clean as well, which is very handy to have when you've got 3 small boys. I love everything. Yes. Oh yes, they absolutely love it. They're just amazed at how nice and how well it's turned out. Everybody loves the butler's pantry, and that's probably my husband's favourite space. He loves the corner cabinetry and the fact that you can see all of the food in there. Yeah, everyone has just loved it and had positive things to say about it and absolutely adore it. I do enjoy being in the kitchen, I do enjoy entertaining. And I find that the kitchen is the heart of the house. So whenever people are here, we always tend to congregate in the kitchen. I would definitely recommend Kitchen Connection. If you were thinking of renovating your kitchen, I have nothing but positive things to say about my experience. They really helped me from the beginning to the end. It really helped me to have something there, the dates that I needed to know, and with a massive renovation that we did do, it was easy for the builders to know when my kitchen dates were and vice versa. When I'd show up at the showroom with my son, they'd pull out the toy box and get me a cup of coffee and we'd sit down and chat about it.